Pre, kami po ang here. Mga kapatid, ito po ay para sa mga lovers, sa mga lahat ng in love. Mga kapatid, huwag po tayo mag-shotgabu. Huwag po tayo mag-aaway. Ito na po ang aming tutugtugin. Way back into lang.
Pagpasensyahan niyo na po kung mahina yung light effects namin ha, malabo masyado eh. Mga kapatid, hindi ito pagsamba.
Ito rin.
Mag-umpisa na po
Teka lang po. Magpapakilala pa kami. Ako yung guitarist.
Guitarist na walang gitara.
Ito, tignan nyo. Brand nyo
At
to.
ako ang vocalist na walang microphone. Simulan na po ang aming performance. At ito yung entitled, Way Back into Love. Pre, kodi ko. At ano yun? I've been living with the shadows overhead. I've been sleeping with the clouds above my bed. I've been lonely for so long. In the past, I just didn't seem to move on. I've been hiding all my hopes and dreams away, just in case I ever need them again someday. I've been setting aside time to clear a little space in the corners of my mind. All I wanna do is find way back into love. I can find it and do without a way back into love. Kata pare. Oh. Ito naman.
Ito na pre. Guitarist ako.
I've been watching but the star refuse to shine. I've been searching but I just don't see the sign. I know that it's out there. There's gotta be something for my soul somewhere. I've been looking for someone to shed some light, not somebody just to get me through the night. I see imperfection, and I'm open to your suggestion. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can take it through without a way back into love. Oh, again. I guess I'm hoping you'll be there for me in the end.
Parinig mo. Dito. Sa ilalim. Para ka tayo nag-gitara. Huling-huli.
Tama na.